Hello everybody! In this video I'm going to explore different blocks in this Moodle for Teachers EVO 2020 course. So I'm here in week 3. So in this middle part you have these blue links and you can navigate and go to, for example, week 1 to look at your weekly badges, look at the recording of live classes and so on. On the left we have first block is the QR code for this course. Then we have a list of people. So here is, if I click on it, I will see all the participants in the Moodle 2020, Moodle for Teachers. Then if I go back, I can see users who are online at the moment. There is only Elena and me at the moment. Then in this next block, activities, there are different activities we can choose from, such as external tools where we can go directly and create tutorials with Screencast-O-Matic. Then there is also a link to forums, to resources, to the Zoom meetings, and so on. Below that there is a completion progress where I can see how much of the tasks I've done so far and what else is left for me to do. Then here I can also see my level, also my progress as well, a different way to look at my progress. So this is all in the left side of the Moodle. On the right side there is the first block with latest announcements. So here is the recording of the live meeting which took place yesterday, and then if I click here I can see older topics, so things that happened earlier. Then there is the clock where I can see my time. Then I can see upcoming events. So we have next live Zoom on Saturday, the 1st of February, and then here is the link for the week 5th week. Then here I can see my badges, and that's it in this right block. And in the middle I can also, here in week 3, if I scroll down, I can see all the tasks I have to do this week, and also if I have a blue tick, then I know that I've done a certain task. I can go to support if I have any problems, and I can watch the video to help me do my tasks. And that is basically that. Thank you very much. Bye.